Hi everyone and welcome back to today's report on Tuesday the 5th of July with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hattech Markets, looking at Eurodollar now. And we've had fairly choppy moves in the last few days, quite small bodied candles, long tails, fairly choppy trading generally. But I think you sort of look at this chart and zooming out, still think, well, having broken that uptrend channel, that becomes the basis of resistance. So you've still got this sort of purple box area, I think, of overhead supply resistance area that I think ultimately will prove to be the downfall of Eurodollar, and it's going to fall away. Momentum indicators negatively configured, as you can see, falling RSI, falling MACD lines, and stochastics, I think, are rolling over as well. So I'm not entirely trusting of this rally, even though it's actually on an intraday basis rebounded quite positively, despite the fact that sterling is significantly lower, euro actually holding up relatively well. But I do think that we're going to see another selling opportunity in this area, and the bears are going to come back into force. Now, what we've seen, generally speaking, really is a sideways range. Really, I mean, yes, you've got these sort of sequence of mildly higher highs, higher lows, sort of building towards this resistance at 1188. However, I think that you've got the overhead supply, which will be an issue. Momentum indicators are not positive, sort of neutral at best, I'd say. RSI sort of failing around the 65 area, or the mid 60s in the last few days, rolling over. I just think that generally speaking, this is set up for another selling opportunity, and I think that it's going to remain underneath, or find the pressure of the underneath of this trend channel too great. Now, just as a long-term chart basis, look at what happened last time it broke through the downtrend. Became the basis of resistance of the downtrend, but certainly it didn't stop for a period of about 6 weeks, about 800 ticks to the downside. So you can certainly see that there is the prospect of further weakness, I think, in this move. Following on from the Brexit decision, I think there is further downside we're going to see ultimately. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on Eurodollar, and I will speak to you again soon. Thank you.